Hi everyone, welcome back to Essy Cooks. In this video, we're going to be making a delicious dill pickle dip. This is made with Greek yogurt, so it's high in protein. This is such a great way to sneak in your protein. You can have this as a healthy snack. I'm going to show you a version you can make with chips, or you can make a full Greek yogurt version, which is great for a weekday snack with some cucumbers or some carrot sticks. So you can do whatever you like with this. It's perfect to bring to an event, or it's good as a healthy snack at home. I'm going to show you two variations that you can do with this, so let's get started. I'm going to start with 1 cup of Greek yogurt. This is going to make it high in protein. Now, if you want, you can use 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt, and you don't have to use the mayo, but up to you. I find if this is a weekday snack, I want to use just 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt, but if I'm bringing it to an event like I'm doing this time, the flavor is better with 1/2 cup of mayo. So do whatever you like there. I'm going to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of pickle juice, onion powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Pepper to taste. Mix that together. You can add in some fresh dill, as much as you like, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. I'm putting quite a bit in here because I love fresh dill. You can use dried dill as well, just use a lot less. Maybe start with 1 teaspoon, taste it, and see how that goes. And then we're going to add in 1 cup of chopped dill pickles. That one doesn't really look nice. We're going to add in 1 cup of chopped dill pickles, but save a few for the garnish. Mix that all together. To set in the fridge for a bit, or you can just transfer it into a serving dish, or you can just eat it like this out of the bowl. Now you can serve it just like this. My husband said it tastes like the HeluvaGood dip, the version made with mayo, which is such a compliment because I know everybody loves that dip. You can see how easy this was to make, and you can just serve it up right like that. But what I did want to do is I wanted to save a few pickles and a little bit of dill as a garnish. So you can see there it is, just like that. I mean, it still looks really good, especially if you have a cute little bowl like this one I found at the thrift store, which I'm so happy with. But look how nice it looks. It just takes it up a level to add those chopped pickles and those little fresh sprigs of dill on the side, so it just really adds to it. It's great for an event, and of course I'm gonna let my dog have a little lick of the Greek yogurt. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.